Morning guys, September 4th, 2023, Labor Day. And I got a call from one of my customers. His AC's down. I've worked for this guy before a bunch of times, so I believe he's got a Goodman system over there. And last time I went over there, I think he needed new thermostats, new batteries in his thermostat. Well, I told him it's a holiday, and he wants me to come out. You know, it's going to be 180 an hour. I'd rather go tomorrow, which is street time, 125, but he wants me to come out, so I'll go out, and me and Miss Molly go take a run out there, see if we can get his AC fixed. It's supposed to be hot later today. I think close to 90 today. It's probably like 65 out now, or 60. We should wait till tomorrow, but can't talk him out of it. He wants to pay the extra rate, so I do that so I'm not working all week, nights and weekends. If I have the same rate on the nights and weekends and holidays as I do my regular rate, everybody would be calling me on them days. So that's why I do the different rates. Straight times 125, Saturdays 160, and then Sunday nights and weekends is 180. It's just kind of makes it, it's not actually time and a half, it just kind of boosts it a little bit, you know. And this way here I keep everybody honest and on the same page, and I rather not work nights and weekends unless I have to. So if they want me to work, I go out, but it's more money. It's simple. Well, hopefully it's something simple that I have on the truck, because none of the supply houses are open today. It is holiday. They're all closed. Labor Day. All right, let's see if the fan works. Is it in the attic or in the basement?
It's in the basement.
It's running?
Yeah, it's running.
Boy, it's an old one. I could hear it, huh?
Yeah.
Is it always noisy like that? Yeah? All right, so we'll put on automatic. We'll put on cool, and we'll check it outside, see what's going on with it. It's good that you shut it off right away. I'm glad you did that. Yeah.
You put the fan on automatic?
Yeah, I do. Run? So when the unit runs, the fan will work with the unit, and when the unit shuts off, the fan will shut off. Oh, okay. If you put on, the fan stays on all the time. Compressor's trying to start. You hear it? The compressor's trying to start, but it's not. It's probably a capacitor. Probably something simple. Let's hope. Something simple for this guy. Can't stop a Goodman, Mama. I'll have to stop a Goodman. Oh, it looks new. This one. Let's see. Check it. So we got a burnt wire there or something. Sometimes you got to put a hot start kit on there. Let's check it. Microfarad should be 35. Should be 35. Let's see what we got here. Common. Nope, she's dead. Capacitor's dead. I don't look that old either. 35.5. Alright, I'll get one out of the truck. That's easy. Whoa, hello, Ms. Molly. $35.5. I should have one here. That's a common size. $35.5. Yeah, that's the one. I usually check and make sure I got more, because if not, I gotta buy more. I got some more back there. I gotta really organize these in the right proper organization. I got these little things I make, like pull out trays, you know. I got a whole bunch of them, different sizes. I got a whole bunch more in the garage. I got a stock up top there. Let's change this capacitor. Alright. Get this thing off of here and I got the power off, so. We don't want to hit the low voltage with the metal because there might be an issue. So I'm going to be careful. Don't hit the low voltage. Get it out of the way. It's a 35.5. That's what that is. 35.5. This is the compressor, which is the Herm, which should be 3. That's the compressor. Let's make sure this one's good. Yeah, 35.6, so this one's good. The fan, which would be the 2-prong. Fan is the 2-prong. And then this is the common, which is the 4. I might have to put a hard start kit on this thing, I'm not sure yet. And the common would be the 4-prong. This is the common from the contactor, and then this is the common from the fan terminal. That should do it. It should start. Hopefully. Like that, to be honest with you. I don't like the wires touching. Make sure they're tight. Won't be connection there because they'll heat up. That's what makes them heat up, as if they're lumpy. Alright, that should start now. See how she's rocking and rolling? No good. Open line. That's our problem. Should fire right up now. Slowly. Get this flipping thing back in there. If I can. I can see it. This one's got fuses. He's a runner. Got lucky. Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman. What, Molly? She wants me to pet her. She missed me. You missed me for 10 minutes. You missed me. You missed me, Miss Molly. Yeah, you missed me. You missed me. You missed me. All right, push over. Supposed to be a holiday. We're not supposed to be working today, Miss Molly. It's a holiday.